Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating these gorgeous palazzo pants trousers. So let's begin. Here I've folded my fabric in half and I've used a pair of trousers that fit me really well, non-elasticated waistband, and I folded them in half with the front sides showing up. Fold your waistband, then cut around the trousers, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. Then pin the sides together, and here you have your front pattern piece of your trousers. Then fold your fabric in half again, place your front pattern on top, next place your folded trousers with the front sides in, so the back pattern piece showing, taking care to match the side seams and the crotch area. Then take a measurement of 4 inches and do this 2 inches below the crotch area. Carefully mark this with a line as shown. Then from the waistband, measure 3 inches around the trousers all the way to the bottom. You can see here that I've measured from the waistband and now I'm joining the measurements. Try your best to mimic the crotch sort of design as much as possible. Measure again 3.5 inches just below the crotch area. Then continue with the 3-inch measurement all the way to the bottom. Carefully join the measurements together. Now carefully draw a line connecting the back seam to the side seam. As you can see, the back pattern is much wider than the front pattern and also higher at the back. Remember, the 2 side seams should always meet up together. Carefully cut the pattern out. Your back and your front pattern should now look like this. Begin by stitching the crotch seams. Now place the pattern's right sides in and pin the inside seams together and then the side seams and stitch. This is how your pants should now look. Turn the trousers inside out. For the waistband, cut out a 3-inch strip on the fold. Now measure the waist of the trousers and cut out your waistband accordingly, adding 1/2 inch seam allowance. Stitch the ends of the waistbands right sides together. Then fold your band in half as shown. Pin your waistband around the trousers waist. Place the stitch end of the waistband at the back of the trousers. Carefully pin the band around the trousers. Once you've done this, you can stitch the band into position. Be sure to leave a 1-inch opening to insert the elastic. And here's your opening. Now take a wide elastic band and cut it to your waist measurement. Make sure when the band is stretched, it fits the width of your hips. Insert the elastic through the waistband. You can zigzag stitch the ends. Pull the elastic through. Stitch close the opening. Now collect all the gathers to the back of the trousers, then pin the sides to keep the gathers at the back. Pin along the side seams. Make sure there are no gathers at the front of the trousers. Stitch the sides of the waistband to keep the elastic in place. And this is how the trousers should now look. All the gathers should be collected at the back. You can now top stitch the band into place. Be sure to pull the elastic as you stitch along the waistband. And this is how it should look, and you can continue to stitch more lines as needed. I did 4 in total. Hem the trousers to finish, and here's the final look. Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.